Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up the phone to leave a message at the tone. Because today I don't feel like doing anything at all. Every single time I want to record, there's so much noise going on. So anyway, thank you guys for stopping by to check out another one of my workout videos. And if you didn't see from the title, today's gonna be one of those workouts where
I just don't feel like working out.
And it's going to be my lazy routine. So if you guys are here for it and you want to do this lazy routine with me, stay tuned to the video. So as soon as I was gonna start recording the other side, like me showing you guys sideways of how to do the workout, my battery decided
I'm gonna die on you.
So I'm sorry about that. Now I see why people be having like 2-3 batteries on them for things like this to happen, but I haven't even been recording like that for my battery to die on me. Anyway, so with this workout, you want to do it 3 times, 15 reps, 3 sets. So I don't like to do a timer workout because I feel like if I'm on a time limit, I'm rushed to do my workout, so I always do sets and reps. So yeah, I hope it was easy to follow along. If you guys want more follow along videos and work out with me, please let me know down in the comments below. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself, staying safe and staying healthy, and until next time, I will talk to each and every one of you later. Have a great day. See you later.